I have 50 paid participants in my level 1 program.
Wow. If you would like to have a similar success story, then don't just think, just click on the link below and enter our academy. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I'm the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Today we have got a coach, Rachna Kakar. She is a career and a resume specialist. And she's from Mumbai, and she entered our academy in the month of December, and she has cracked one goal, having paid members in our community. So I'm not going to share her achievements myself, but congratulations, Rachna, and thank you so much for joining and giving your precious time. Why don't you introduce yourself to our community and to our channel, please?
Thanks a lot, Siddharth. So, first of all, I'm really fortunate to be a part of this community. It's a very vibrant community, and I am a career coach. I'm a resume specialist, and I help mid-career professionals in career acceleration and job search. So, when I had joined this community, I had heard a lot of other people in the space doing a lot of things. Everybody is saying that you will achieve your goal. But when I attended your first session, I think it was one of the mastermind sessions, and I'd been seeing your messages for quite some time, but was not able to attend it. And I really liked the way, first of all, you taught the concepts in the mastermind session. And then thereafter, your personal connect with each and every participant. I said that this is one community, where I felt a lot of connect with the community.
Yes.
And how you were connecting with each participant, asking, how did you feel, how what you were learning. So that was something which connected me very well with
Yes.
your community, and decided to be a part of this community.
Awesome, great, congratulations. And so, Rachna, tell us, you joined our program in the month of December, right? December 2020. And of course, you are already believing in making goal cards and the Earl Nightingale. I know your background from where you are coming from as a digital coach. So, did you make your goal cards and you were listening to The Stranger's Secret? Yes?
Yes, I was. So before being a part of your community, I was writing the goals. So Stranger's Secret was something I was listening to, but I was writing my goals.
Right.
But then, when I went through your program step by step, and when I made my goal card, I still have my goal
Yeah,
card with me.
wonderful, very nice.
So that's when I realized that this is some kind of a magic in this, because every time you see them, you touch them,
Yes.
it keeps reminding you that no, you cannot stop here, you need to take actions, and this goal is important for you.
Yes.
And that's what made me achieve my goal.
Awesome. So tell us about your success story. I mean, we knew that you were struggling you're doing webinars, but you were struggling in the sales, in getting the paid participants. So I heard you got a good number of paid participants now in your community. So what was the success story, ma'am?
Yeah. So initially, I was struggling in terms of, people coming, being a part of the webinar, but somehow, not getting converted and, ending up buying my program. After I got into your community, of course, this goal was very clear, but then I gave it a deadline, and I decided, by 30th April is what I need to anyways get in 100 people into my community. And then I tweaked the model a little. I don't know from where that idea came, and I said, I'm not going to give up. I would have done for sure 20-25 webinars, but I had not a single person who registered in for my paid program. But then somehow this idea kicked in, and I tweaked the model and I changed it completely. And today, I have 50 paid participants in my level 1 program.
Wow, congratulations for that. That's an amazing achievement, and I can see the struggle, because I've been there, done that, the content is good, the intention is good, and we want people to be contributed, we want to add value, but somehow the sales are not happening. And that's the magic of Think and Grow Rich. But you got the idea, ma'am. You got the idea and you tweaked the model. So the entire credit goes to you. So tell us something about what is some special about our community, of our Think and Grow Rich community, which you feel that, there are so many shiny objects right now, as people say in this digital coaching space. So what is so special about our community, which is really, keeping you bonded with us?
There are actually a couple of things. The number one, in terms of a program that you have, I would say it's very systematic, and you've given step-by-step process for the next 90 days and with very simple action points. So if somebody actually follows those action points, it is really simple to implement, and for sure you'll get the results. And then of course, I am myself a coach and I understand being a part of the community, and it's such a vibrant community. I have seen that people in your community, they are so actively involved, helping out each other, conducting sessions, mentoring. Oh my, so many activities every day or two. When I open the Telegram group, I see so many activities happening.
Yeah, I think I'm blessed to have people like you in our community, and yes, that's the space which is there because of good people, the good vibrations are coming across, and so that's what it is. So Rachna, if you could highlight that since you are now almost reaching your final goal or on your goal card, how has been your belief systems after applying the principles of Think and Grow Rich about your this immediate goal and your further goal? So tell us something about your belief systems and your methodology of now looking at the things and the way you are looking forward to achieve your goals. What your confidence level is about your entire goals?
Confidence is, I would say, skyrocket, and and belief system has also changed. A lot of beliefs about money. Every time when I do the declarations, and especially with the community on the Friday mastermind sessions, so I miss some of those.
Yeah.
But I do go through the recordings.
Yes.
So it's a different feeling altogether. I already start feeling as if I'm a multimillionaire money magnet.
I'm so happy. I can see the smile on your face. And I heard that you are now having a specialized one-to-one, value-added one-to-one coaching program for your existing community as well. Can you share some insights on that? That if somebody who's would be interested, that how does it work for anybody who's wanting to have a career progression or becoming a resume specialist kind of a thing. So how do you support people?
Yeah. So what I do really in my programs is, everybody. I see a lot of people around who are now mentoring people into career coaching. I am also fortunate to be a member of a professional association of resume writers and career coaches, Florida, US. So I somewhere understood that the international standards of making a resume, and the most unfortunate part was that people who were looking for career acceleration were not understanding the importance and power of the resume and how it can open many doors for them. So that's where I thought, this is one area which, instead of being a journalist, why don't I be a specialist?
Right.
So that's what I picked up, and it's working wonders. And for people, because not everybody, is very comfortable with online courses. So for people who need my personal support and backing to them, that's where my one-to-one coaching system comes into picture.
Amazing. I think really people can benefit with your experience and the way you are conducting your sessions. I also heard that you are part of the Internet Lifestyle Hub community. Because even I'm a part of Siddharth Rajshekar's community, and he's a dear friend of mine, and even I've learned a lot in the digital coaching space from him. So how has been your experience coming from the ILH society and gelling with us? Because there are many things which I've learned from him in terms of the Earl Nightingale system of goal cards, and it's all coming from connecting with Think and Grow Rich principles. So it's been a real great experience of mine being a part of the ILH community. Tell us about because you're also being part of both the communities. So what has been your experience like?
So yes, of course, Sid is one of the mentors who's taught me, because I was completely, a non-technical person. So the entire digital setup, he's has a lot of contribution. In fact, I remember I joined his community same time this year. So about the 31st March was when I joined his community.
Right.
So yes, listening to Earl Nightingale is one of the rituals, but I did not make the goal cards. I mean, it was only when in your program you mentioned that you were supposed to send me a picture of the goal card.
Yeah.
That's where I actually made the goal cards.
Right.
Difference in terms of obviously, two people, two communities. There is you have given a lot of I would say opportunity of people to network from within. So that's
Yes.
somewhere I feel that instead of competing, I mean, I see a lot of people who are from the same industry or
Yeah.
domain, but somewhere people are not competing; they are collaborating with each other, which is a very, very beautiful thing and something different I found in this community.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much. So I also own a lot to Siddharth Rajshekhar for whatever I've learned from him in the digital coaching space, and it's a beautiful blend of him being technically in coaching, and we are specializing on Think and Grow Rich principles. So, and many participants are from the Eyelash Hub in our community, which you are also aware of. It's a part of our community. So, what's the way forward for you, Rachna? Looking at the financial year coming in 21-22, and I know that you are having this passion of making it a full-time thing. So what's the space for you like? You have a number in your mind, then you'll call it a day. What is it like for you?
Yeah, sure. So I for now, my target is this year. I from for 30th April, my target is 100, completing the target of 100.
Wow.
So that I am pretty confident I will be able to do that.
Sure.
And then of course, bringing in more people, and I really get inspired when I look at your community. So I want to also develop a second line of leaders in my community as well, so that somewhere even I get that freedom, a little
Absolutely.
freedom. So that is one thing I'm looking at, but probably it's a little long way to go when I have more numbers in the
Yeah.
community, but doesn't look impossible to me.
Not at all. In fact, I can see it, and I can see that thing which is happening. And I never knew how this was going to happen. But it's just that we kept on nurturing and kept on nurturing, kept on giving value, and it happened. And they got some transformation, and they got so much of value from the program that they are now, supporting the new parties. So it's going to happen for sure with that belief systems. I don't see it's far fetched. It's going to happen very soon. So Rachna, if someone's watching our video and is considering that, oh, I can read the book, or I can make the goal card, I can listen to Earl Nightingale, that's all good. What is the, I mean, what would you recommend, that should they join the program? I mean, what is it exactly they will have it in? Because, there are many people right now who think that they can do it on their own, but what's so special which we are providing? So what would be your recommendation like?
Yeah, I would highly recommend, all the viewers who are watching this, and in case they have not enrolled for this program, please go ahead. Because what happens is, watching videos, a lot of knowledge is available already on the internet. But if actually that could be put to use, everybody would have put to use and become millionaires by now. So there is something which is called as power of community, which is also, which plays a very, very big role. So when you are in a community when you see people, you automatically, start getting motivated with them. And then of course your Friday mastermind sessions are really powerful. Every Friday you come up with some new topic, some new learning, and those are really very, very powerful. So and you need to, I have mentors. I myself is a coach, but I have mentors and coaches in all areas of my life. I have a spiritual mentor, and for goal setting I have you.
Yeah.
Then I have a health coach. So every area, and it's really important.
Awesome.
Because somebody who knows more than you, who's given result to so many people, will definitely give results to you as well. But of course, action the person has to take place.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah. Thank you so much for your kind words. And yes, we are committed for you for lifetime. It's not a 90-day program. It's a lifetime commitment which we are giving to you. So final words, Rachna, before we end the awesome interview, something finally which you would like to say, something you would like to share, anything, final words.
So I would actually want to highlight a couple of my learnings from this entire program, though there are many, but maybe I'll just try and cover 2-3 of them. So
Yes.
number one is the power of daily habits, which I learned. Small and consistent actions every day can actually give you very, very big results. And then the networking and mastermind alliances. That has been a great learning. And power of going an extra mile, and I've actually gone extra mile with my clients, and I've seen the results coming for them. So just don't expect, keep giving a little extra mile, going extra mile. And then last but not the least, I would say that take actions, actions, and actions. I
Amazing.
still recall, in one of your sessions, you said in the book Think and Grow Rich, these many number times the words
Yeah.
action.
Yeah, the word action is about 79 times and the word think is 56 times.
Yes.
So, people ask me this question many times. Sir, Siddharth, how is it possible for someone to just think and grow rich? I just look at them and I say, okay, this is it. You go through the book, and if you number the number of times think is there, it's 56 times, and the word action is 79 times. So if you understand what Napoleon is trying to say, it's not just thinking, but the action is the key. Action is the key.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And I think you nailed it very beautifully. Masterminding the habits, the daily rituals, and going the extra mile principle. You got it. I think, Rachna, this is really powerful, and I can see a grand success story. You on a fast track basis to achieve your milestone of your goals, and we are all there to support you for lifetime. Thank you so much, Rachna, for your time, and congratulations. You have entered our Carnegie Club of Success. And we wish you a great grand success in the future. Always be a part of our community. And yes, I will take your request also for being a mentor and a coach to support our new participants, because we'll be very much privileged to have a person like you to support some of our new participants. So thank you so much, Rachna, for your contributing to our community as well. This is Rachna Kakar. She's a career coach. She's a resume specialist. She came to our academy with all the knowledge she has gotten, but she took the action. She made her goal cards, and I checked it on day number 11, and there you go. Sales started to happen, and the money started to come in the bank. 50 paid participants, upselling starting to happen. Everything is working forward, and she is very confident now that she's going to achieve the great goal which she's got on her goal card. If you would like to have a similar success story, then don't just think, just click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will make sure that we have a grand success story crafted for you. This is Siddharth Shah from Think and Grow Rich Academy. Thank you so much, Rachna. Congratulations once again. Thank you for your time. And share, subscribe to our channel. Please like and share Rachna's success story. It's an awesome success story of a person who is going to the next level in 21-22. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Bye.